Hello everyone, welcome back to another brand. Today I will talk about the next price target of Bitcoin, which you can see here 0.89% in last 24-hour increase. How much it will more increase? What is next price target? Right now you can see here this time completely we will be see Bitcoin will be start consolidating here from 70 to 1000 down up, and my brother 57,000 up. Definitely this time my brother you can see here we will be see one touch and resistance level, sorry, and support level, and of course my brother after that we will not see a big crash. Okay, it was very small in last 24 hours. You can see here pump, not a big pump, but my brother if we will look just in only the market cap, so it was increasing. So this is a big chance my brothers will give us to, you can see here we will enter and right now in the market. And of course the volume is a little bit looking weak, 28% it was decreasing, but my brother the market cap is looking good. So therefore when market cap increasing, definitely the price was also increasing. So BTC is looking for upside my brother, and of course I will be strongly recommend you my brothers to take a long position. Maybe we will expect it again 71 72,000. Okay, thank you so much guys. Join Telegram group for future trading signal. If you are interested, link is in the description, go and join.